Good afternoon. We thought we would show you a little bit of drone footage of our farm. I know this is probably my second attempt at drone flying over the farm anyway. But anyway, I have a lot of bigger trees that we're going to sell this year and some trees that are coming on for the next couple of years. And just wanted to take a few minutes and let you see a little bit about what the fields look like. We've got a lot of small trees we planted this spring. They'll be ready here in about 4.5 years. We've got a lot of other trees there that were not ready last year that are this year. And we should have about I'm going to say of our own trees, choose and cut, somewhere around 1,300 roughly. And then we'll have about 300 or so Douglas firs and Fraser firs to sell as pre-cuts. So just wanted to let you guys see a little bit of the farm. And I know I had the drone stop a time or two, and now we're seeing sort of the back fields and the fields on the left, as you see on the left of your picture there. I'd say probably 75% of those will be ready to sell this year because they would be between 6 and 8 foot tall, 8 feet tall, excuse me. We've got another little field that's coming on the far left. There it is in the center of the picture now. And we've got, as you can see, it's still summertime as far as the trees are concerned, but I would say probably in the next, I'm going to say maybe 3 weeks or so, we'll start seeing a little bit of change in color of these trees. Not the trees that I'm going to sell, of course, but the trees, the deciduous trees in the back. As you can see, we've mowed everything. That one little square, we got it done today, not showing up in the picture. Got a lot of blue ice this year to sell, which is a blue tree. It makes a very pretty tree with white lights or red lights. But I just wanted to take a second and let you see a little bit about what the farm looks like from about 150 feet or so up. And we'd like to see you guys come out and visit. Our Choose and Cut season opens on November 22nd at 10 a.m. So we should have plenty of trees for you to choose from. A lot of 7 to 8 foot trees this year. We had a lot of good weather for growing. Several 6 footers, like I said, several 7 and 8s in just about every variety. And you know, it's we're going to have the wreaths. It'll be going, and the concession stand will be going, and it's just going to be a big Christmas season. So far, it's what it's shaping up for all of us. And we hope to see you coming out on the 22nd of November.